Cesar Mones, been with Grey Mouse for quite some time, and I am responsible in managing Airbnb bookings, data entry, actioning remittances and invoices. We do facilitate customer and clients like messages, emails, and calls. As a VA, I possesses skills sets that help me embrace the job by having an attention to details, reliability of information, and flexibility of keeping the task complete on a timely manner. Well, I usually start the task early. I figure out the time limits of each task. I also group the similar tasks together. I also like create schedule and prioritize